Welcome to the Space Science Center's 3D Universe Simulator. Here we are fully able to simulate any scenario in space and see the result of any change we do to the solar system and beyond. To demonstrate, let us move Earth one more astronomical unit away from the Sun. This distance makes the Earth twice the distance away as it were before. As you can see, Earth is in the asteroid belt, a little bit past Mars. At this distance, water isn't able to stay liquid, so in a couple of years, Earth becomes a massive snowball again. But now, let's try the opposite. Instead of sending Earth twice as far away as before, let's send the Earth twice as close as before, to just half an astronomical unit. Now the Earth is too close to the Sun. At this distance, life won't survive because of the extreme heat that evaporates the water and decimates the land. The Sun owns the biggest gravity well in the solar system, so everything in the solar system orbits the Sun. For our next experiment, let's add a new Sun to the solar system and see how the two stars interact. Firstly, I will put the new Sun next to her own and not change the size. I suspect that this new configurement will have all the planets get sucked into the two stars. Now that I plugged this idea into our simulator, the result is an unfortunate feature as both stars start spiraling into the emptiness of space. All the planets do not follow this path though, but it is interesting to watch. Now I will place the Sun just past Earth but on the opposite side of our planet, and observe from there. I suspect that this time all the outer planets will be slingshotted into space as the inner planets get sucked into the stars. Now the new Sun will rip apart the solar system. Its gravity is too great for all the planets and they all get shoved out of the way and fly into space. Finally, I will place the new Sun past Neptune. This time, I think the inner planets will be fine as the outer planets will get slingshotted into space again. At this distance, the pull of the new Sun drastically affects the solar system. Neptune and Uranus are thrown out of the solar system. Saturn stays for a little bit, but also gets cast away. The remainder stay as the stars orbit each other in a beautiful but dangerous dance. Earth is a very fragile ball and a beautiful masterpiece called the universe. It is important that people remember that Earth is unique in the fact that it's the only place in the universe with life. That is the ultimate gift. Use it well.